Setting up your Shopify shop on Instagram is one of the most effective ways to turn casual scrollers into paying customers without ever leaving the app. The first step is to ensure your Instagram account is either a business or creator profile, as personal accounts do not support shop features. Within the Instagram app, navigate to your settings, select account, and switch to a professional account if you have not already done so. You must also make sure your Facebook page is connected to this account, because the product catalog data flows through Facebook's backend infrastructure. Once your account type is correct, log into your Shopify admin dashboard on a desktop computer. In the left-hand sidebar, click on the settings gear icon and then select Apps and Sales Channels. Search for the Facebook and Instagram app by Meta and install it if it is not already present. When you open this app, you will begin the setup process by connecting your Facebook account and the associated business manager. The system will ask for permissions to manage your pages and assets, which you must grant to allow the synchronization to happen automatically. During the guided setup, you will select the business manager that owns your Instagram page and create or connect an existing product catalog. This is the container that holds all your inventory information. Shopify will automatically import your entire product library into this catalog. The critical part here is to verify that your shop domain is approved by Meta and that you agree to the merchant agreement terms. After this one-time configuration is complete, you simply toggle the Instagram shopping channel to the active position. This establishes the direct link between your product pages and your Instagram profile. The final major requirement before your shop goes live is the Instagram account review. Meta will automatically check your products and content against their commerce policies, which can take a few hours to several days. Once you receive approval, go to your Instagram profile, tap Edit Profile, and you will see an option to connect your commerce shop. After you link the catalog, you can start creating shoppable posts and stories by tapping Tag Products, just like you would tag a person. Select the exact product variant from your linked catalog, and a small shopping bag icon will appear on your content, ready for viewers to tap and purchase instantly.